sagas of our Indian heroes, it will light up the fire, that patriot within you. Let us hear it from Krish, Trish and Balti Boy. Bharat hai hum.
Tomorrow will come early, Krish will continue with story. Tomorrow will come early, Krish will continue with story. Tomorrow will come early, Krish will continue with story.
Balti boy is blabbering in his sleep. Balti
Tomorrow
boy?
will come early. Jalalabad.
Balti boy!
What happened?
Master Da has disappeared. You two disappear in your bed. I mean, go to sleep. We will continue the story tomorrow.
Tomorrow will come early, Krish will continue with story. Tomorrow will come early, Krish will continue with story.
How did Master Da disappear like that? Tell us the details, please, Krish.
You two won't let me sleep, huh?
If you want to sleep peacefully, then finish the story. Story time.
All right, I'll tell you the story. Hey, Sanskriti, story mode on. On the night of 22nd April, when the British machine gun became silent, Master Da and 46 boys, under the cover of darkness, descended from the Jalalabad hill.
Which of you boys are not under any suspicion of the British at all?
About 12 boys raised their hands.
You guys go to your homes. Rest of you boys, Nirmal Da will hide you at IRA's hideouts. Wherever you hide, don't tell anyone where you were and with whom. The instinct for fear and greed can make anyone hand you over to the enemy. Even your relatives.
I came to fight the British, Master Da, not to hide from them.
The battle is not over, Subodh. But for a few months, you boys will have to go underground. Till then, this battle will be fought by the rest of the IRA boys.
Okay, Master Da.
Let's go, Master Da.
Loknath, you can't come with us. The British will reach your house as soon as Tegra is identified.
By tomorrow evening, there will be posters of you in every corner of Chittagong.
Go to Kolkata for a few days. I'll call you when the time comes. Nirmal, you go with the boys. I'll be waiting for you at Kunda Prabha's hut. Try to come there.
Why try, Master Da? I will come 100%.
Nirmal, British guns are waiting for us on every street, on every pier of Chittagong. Who and when we will become a martyr cannot be known.
The Britishers were also fully prepared to catch Master Da and his boys.
Sir, 2 more battalions of Gorkha Rifles have reached Chittagong.
Now Surya Sen will not survive. Did Alexander Burnett go back?
Yes, sir. His battalion suffered a lot of casualties at Jalalabad.
Fresh troops are always better, Hem Gupta.
Sir, some boys from the riding party has been caught.
Oh, excellent, ASP Shooter. Use Tega torture on them and make them spew Surya Sen's whereabouts.
So the Tega torture on children? Pulling nails, breaking legs.
They are terrorists, Hem Gupta, but you can't seem to deal with them. Shooter, put Ahsanullah to this work.
Inspector Ahsanullah Khan was ruthless. As soon as he received orders, he got to work and began searching for Master Da in every village.
Where is that Surya Sen?
I don't know, sir.
Please leave him. My father is not a revolutionary. Please spare him.
If you hide Surya Sen or his boys in your houses, then I'll shred the skin on each one of you.
While intimidating the villagers, Inspector Ahsanullah's gaze fell on a boy named Haripada, who was staring at him. He grabbed Haripada by the neck.
Isn't Surya Sen the hero of boys like you? Tell me where he is.
When Haripada said nothing, he slapped him hard. Inspector Ahsanullah, in his effort to locate Surya Sen, openly started to commit Tega torture in Chittagong. Panic spread among the people. For 6 months, no one was found. Then one day, on the basis of an information, Ahsanullah reached Potia village.
Sir, who is inside? Surya Sen?
According to our informer, some revolutionary leader wounded and sick.
I will show him what a real one feels like.
Inspector Ahsanullah broke down the door of the hut and entered it. It was dark inside. He couldn't see anyone. But his keen ears heard a rustling sound coming from some branches of a coconut tree lying in one corner of the ground. When Inspector Hasanullah removed those branches,
Ambika Chakraborty.
Ambika Chakraborty was found lying there in a very bad condition, extremely wounded, weak and half dead.
Water.
So you want water? You will get it at Kala Pani.
Ambika Chakraborty was dragged away by Hasanullah, which was a heart-wrenching sight. Fearing Hasanullah, people stopped helping the revolutionaries. 32 boys were caught. Ananta Singh, Ganesh Ghosh and Loknath too were caught and jailed. But Master Da did not fall into the hands of the British. Where he had disappeared was known only to a few people. While in hiding, Master Da was aware of every activity happening around him. His commanders would relay all information to him, and Master Da would prepare his next plans accordingly. While hiding in the hut of Kundaprabha, Nirmal Sen and Tarakeshwar Dastidar conveyed the news of Ambika Chakravarti to Master Da.
There's bad news, Master Da. Ambika Da has been caught. He had escaped from Jalalabad and hid in Potia. Someone revealed his location to Hasanullah. He made Ambika Da to...
Master Da, Hasanullah has crossed all limits. People have become his spies out of fear. No one is willing to help us. And it is impossible to plan further missions without the help of the people.
Tarakeshwar, we have to plan one mission. Find a boy who will finish Hasanullah.
Nirmal Sen and Tarakeshwar did not take long to find such a boy, and they even started his training. The boy's name was Haripada.
Good shot, Hari. Hasanullah is a police officer. Getting close to him will be difficult.
And if you somehow manage to reach him and kill him, then it will be impossible for you to escape.
If I don't kill Hasanullah, then it will be difficult for the people of Chittagong to live.
That day, a football match was taking place among trainee police constables at the police grounds. Hasanullah had come to watch the match. A crowd of people had also gathered on the ground. Among them was the face of Haripada. The game was going on with great enthusiasm. In the midst of this, the ball came near Haripada. Haripada got the opportunity he had been waiting for. Dribbling the ball with his feet, he got very close to Hasanullah. And then in the blink of an eye, he fired 3 bullets from his pistol into Hasanullah's chest. Hasanullah died on the spot, and the police constables present there caught Haripada. The Britishers had placed a reward of 10,000 for the capture of Master Da.
10,000 is too much for this terrorist shooter.
Hasanullah Sahib was shot dead.
Who shoot him?
One of Surya Sen's boys.
Teach that boy such a lesson, shooter, that it should make the people drag Surya Sen here for free.
The British tortured Haripada very severely, bringing him among the people to do so, aiming to deter anyone from supporting Master Da. However, Master Da was always 2 steps ahead of the British. When Nirmal Sen and Tarakeshwar went to meet Master Da again at Kundaprabha's hut,
They took Hari to schools and colleges and beat him up there. They dragged him from village to village. They did not even spare his parents. Then tied him to a tree and beat him. His house was also burned down, Master Da.
Fire does not extinguish another fire, but flares it. Increase such guerrilla attacks on the British.
But how, Master Da? After Hasanullah's death, it has become difficult for the boys to leave their homes.
And what about the girls?
Girls! Master Da?
Yes, Bhola, girls. Nirmal trained the girls. The British have forgotten the Queen of Jhansi. Remind them that there is not one, but lakhs of Jhansi queens in this country.
while Master Da, Tarakeshwar and Nirmal Sen were talking, Kundaprabha came in.
Master Da, you must leave this place. Your further stay here will be very dangerous.
Okay, Kundaprabha. Thank you so much. Tarakeshwar, find a new hideout.
Nirmal and Tarakeshwar trained 4 girls. That included best friends Kalpana Datta and Preeti Lata Vadedar.
Kalpana, you need more practice. Well done, Preeti Lata. You're ready to meet Master Da now.
Nirmal Sen took Preeti Lata to meet Master Da at his new hideout.
Nirmal tells me that you are ready for the action.
Yes, Master Da.
Revolutionaries have to leave their homes, and their lives can be lost anytime.
This country is my home, and it is my dream to die for our freedom.
All right then. From today onwards, you are part of the team that will attack the European club to avenge the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Your code name is Rani.
Okay, Master Da.
Britishers! Master Da, leave from the back door towards the forest. Hurry!
Master Da led Preeti Lata towards the back door. Nirmal Sen kept firing at the Britishers, but could not save himself and fell victim to the bullets. When Preeti Lata saw Nirmal Sen get shot, she stopped and started to go towards him. Master Da stopped her.
You can't save him. Let's go.
Preeti Lata was stunned.
Will you become Rani or remain Preeti Lata? Decide now.
Preeti Lata did not understand what she should do. Nirmal Sen resolved her dilemma by sacrificing his life. He signaled Preeti Lata to leave and then gave up his life. Master Da and Preeti Lata disappeared into the forest, evading the British. When Angus Kennedy and Hem Gupta entered the house, they found Nirmal Sen lying dead there.
Hurry up and find out who else was with him.
Hem Gupta rummages through Nirmal Sen's pocket, from which he finds a photo of Preeti Lata.
Yes! Oh no.
What is it? Happy too and sad too?
Happy because a girl became a revolutionary. And sad because the British forces came to know about her.
Now the British will catch her. Isn't so, Krish?
That will be known in the last episode.
Last?
When a story goes on, you don't sleep. When it ends, you cry.
You have narrated only such a story, Krish. For freedom, so many children were martyred. I did not even know any of this.
That's why. Say it proudly.
Hey guys! If you enjoyed listening to this story a lot, then you will definitely have more fun watching it.
Watch Krish Trish Balti Boy Bharat Hai Hum every Sunday at 11 a.m. on Doordarshan.
And our streaming partners are Amazon Prime Video and Netflix. Stay tuned.